Here's a compact. Just put power supply in. As you see, no copper wires, no tape, no caps. What I mean by caps? Wire caps, as you see on some computers, used one. And when I'm done, they look like this. So see, you're getting your money's worth. I mean, not asking much. Some of them go from 80 to about 160. Some are even lower than 80, like the Dells. The Dells, like 60 bucks. They have up-to-date Windows, like Windows 7, Windows 8, Vista, you name it, I'll put it in there. Thank you. You can message me at smscomputer.1976@gmail.com.